Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain you English lesson number 2, The Smash Girl. In previous YouTube link we have completed the warm-up exercise. In that we have written many sports name. In our lesson The Smash Girl, the theme of the lesson is about appreciating sports. क्या है थीम लेसन का सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट फोकस क्या है? इज टू अप्रिशिएट स्पोर्ट्स. Let's see who's there in our story. Saina. Let's start. Saina was a happy-go-lucky girl at school. But she always experienced fright when she stepped on a stage. What do you mean by happy-go-lucky? It means not caring or worrying about the future. So how was Saina? She was a happy-go-lucky girl. It means उसको future की कोई tension थी? No. But whenever she comes on the stage, she was getting afraid of the stage or she was frightened. Once, when she was 5 years old, she took part in a fancy dress competition, dressed up as Jawaharlal Nehru. When she went up on stage, she saluted the audience and then forgot her lines. She stood there holding the salute and staring at her parents until they say, "Okay, come down now." Now what happened one day? Saina, she participated in fancy dress competition. सानिया ने क्या किया? एक fancy dress competition में पार्ट लिया. She was dressed up like Jawaharlal Nehru. कैसा dressed up है सानिया का? Like Jawaharlal Nehru. What she did? She came on the stage and she saluted to the all audience. क्या क्या उसने स्टेज पे आके सैल्यूट किया. But she forgot her dialogues. She forgot the lines. What to say her? She was continuously staring at her parents. Till that her parents say, "Okay, now come down." कब तक स्टेयर कर रही थी? जब तक उसके पेरेंट्स ने ओके बोलकर उसे नीचे नहीं बुलाया. Her parents encouraged her to keep performing on stage, but each time she would stand tongue-tied on stage, staring at her mummy and papa until they said, "Okay, come down now." She would always wonder how other children said their dialogue so confidently, while she always forgot hers. What do you mean by tongue-tied? It means not able to speak because of shyness or nervousness. So what happened? Like Sania, she used to participate in many stage competitions. वो बहुत सारे stage competitions करती थी. But every time what used to happen? She used to come on the stage and she did not able to say her dialogues. हमेशा क्या होता था? वो अपने सारे dialogues भूलती थी. She used to get tongue tied. It means she was not able to speak because of her shyness or nervousness. And as it is, like every time her parents used to say, "Okay, come down now." She was very afraid of the stage. But Saina did not let her fear of performing in front of people stop her from succeeding in life. Watching her parents play badminton, Saina also developed a love for the game. She wanted to become a great player. She had learned from her parents that hard work was the only way to success. She practiced the game regularly. So, who was playing badminton in her house? Her parents used to play badminton in their house. So what she decided, Sania? She decided she will become a great player in badminton. And what she learned from her stages, or what she learned in her life, that the only way to success is hard work. It means हमेशा hard work करते रहो तो क्या मिलेगा? Success. When her friends were playing with their dolls, she was practicing backhand. What do you mean by backhand? A stroke played with the back of the hand facing in the direction of the stroke with the arm across the body. It means she used to practice a backhand move in the badminton, while other girls or other students, what they used to do? They used to play with their dolls. Come to the next side. Page number 19. When children of her age were playing hide and seek, she was running to increase her stamina. It was a small price to pay for becoming a great player. What do you mean by stamina? It means the physical strength that enables you to do something for long periods of time. It means she used to build her physical power. Soon she began playing tournaments. What do you mean by tournaments? It means sports competition. She was so focused on playing the sport that she did not worry about the audience sitting around her and watching her. So what Saina had did? She had increased her stamina while other children were busy in playing hide and seek. Then in very small age she used to play tournaments also. What do you mean by tournament? It means a type of competition in which many number of teams get participated. So by playing tournaments she had increased her confidence also. Her house was filled with prizes and medals. You can see here in the picture. They were all hers. She went on to become the first Indian to win medal in badminton in the Olympics. She became a darling of the audience. They did not scare her anymore. The tongue-tied girl had transformed into a star. So what happened one day? While playing tournaments, she had won many prizes and medals. And later on, what had become? She became the first Indian to win a medal in badminton in the Olympics. You have listened it many times, Sania, right? So who's this Sania? She is the girl who used to stand tongue-tied in front of the audience, and today she is a big star. In 2010, when she had to shoot for her first advertisement, she once again experienced fear. When she stood facing a crowd of 200 people, this time she was a big girl and couldn't expect her parents to tell her, okay, come down now. So she practiced and practiced until she was able to give her best shot for the advertisement. The world was hers now. So what thing happened one day? She was advertising for a particular thing she was advertising. But again what happened? Like in childhood she used to stand up on the stage in the same way in front of 200 people. She was standing like that only. But was she able to come down? No, right? Because she is a big girl now. So what did she do? What did Saina do? She keep on practicing again and again. Her determination to succeed helped her overcome barriers and become the superstar she is today. So what do you mean by determination? It means the quality of continuously trying to achieve something. इसका मतलब क्या है? साइना ने बहुत ज़्यादा अपने आप पर काम किया. Yes or no? She tried her best thing. What do you mean by barriers? It means problems. She overcome from her problems. Like she used to stand tongue-tied. Now today she can speak in front of many people. And in this way she had overcome from her barriers and become a big superstar today. So students, here we are ending up with our lesson. You have to read this lesson again. Okay? Read it and understand it, and also understand how important is the hard work to success, right? Bye bye.